Fine, let us start with the problem number 48 here. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Find the values of the angle. You know, the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now, the ratio of these angles is in terms of, that is 1:2:3. Let us find. The first one is, what you need to do is very simple one. So this will become 1x is to 2x is to 3x. So let me find the x. To find the x, see what happens here. So add this, 1x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180, the sum of the angle. So 3x plus 2x, 6x, 180 degree. 6x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree by 6, which is going to be 30 degree. So just substitute the value of x here, you are going to get the answer. This will become 1 into 30 is to 2 into 30 is to 3 into 30. So this will become 30, 60 and 90. The answer is 30 degree, 60 degree and as well as 90 degree. The answer here is yes.